My name is Bob Garner. I work for Ampco Pumps. And today I'm going to demonstrate how to change the single O-ring seal on a ZP1 Plus 030. The unique thing about this pump is we can change the dynamic O-ring without having to remove the body. So I'm going to start by loosening up the wing nuts with a mallet. And the last one. You take your mallet and we're going to work this. We have locating dowel pins, and sometimes you have to kind of work this back and forth. Remove the front cover. And take this O-ring and we're going to discard it. Next, we're going to take our power nut wrench. We're going to hold it in place. Give it a whack. Second nut. Same with the bottom. I'm going to remove the rotors. Place the rotors on their side like this. Next, we're going to take our O-ring pick and we're going to pull out the sleeve. There's a little groove in front of the sleeve and we just pull it like that. Now sometimes if the sleeve is sticky, stuck in there because of the product drying up, you can go into the back with a screwdriver and just catch one of those grooves and use a screwdriver to help get that started. Once you get it out partially, you can use your pick to pull it out the rest of the way. As with the first sleeve, we're going to take that O-ring out and we're going to discard it. And we have an O-ring here in the body that we're going to remove. Get our O-ring pick in there. And discard that O-ring and discard this O-ring. That completes changing out the O-rings for this single O-ring seal on the ZP1 Plus 030. Okay, reassembly is basically in the reverse order. We're going to take this O-ring. It takes a little bit of finesse to get it into that groove there. You got to kind of work it around. Use your pick to kind of get it in there. Now she's in. Make sure she's in that groove. I'm going to do the second one. Kind of get it in the groove and just work your way around. Now they're in. I'm going to turn the shaft so that our dummy spline is on the top. Next, we're going to replace the O-ring in the sleeve, and it goes in the second groove. As we mentioned earlier, the first groove is for the pick to help pull the sleeve out. So we put that O-ring in the second groove. We're going to want to lubricate that with some food grade lubricant. Same thing with the second sleeve. Make sure it gets into the second groove. Second groove from the front. Okay, and we're going to lubricate that. We're also now going to lubricate this body. So we're going to take this notch. We're going to line that up with what we call the dummy spline. Just slide that back all the way home. The dummy spline for this one is on the side. We're going to do the same thing. So line that notch up. shoved it all the way home. The rotors go in. Rotor locking nuts. And first, do this one, and we're going to just give it a nice hit with the mallet. Second one, same thing. And put on the locking nut. And we're going to give that a wrap. Now the front cover, I'm going to put the O-ring back in. And it has two different size dowel pins. The dowels are there so that the cover is located perfectly concentric with the body bores. Set the cover on, give it a little tap to send it home, and then replace the cover nuts. So just going to go around here and I'm going to tighten these in succession.